Welcome back, guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about Algorand. What's going on now with this token? Let's dive in. I guess honestly, everything looks like we formed this one is double bottom, one tick. Second one, this is a cup and handle. This is a global one and a cup and handle, So, if you know this pattern, I wish to see a little bit lower, like to 20 cents together with the BTC. I'm still waiting the BTC a little bit lower, and the targets and the zone where we will go with this pump. For example, this can be, I don't know, 50 cents, around 50 cents. It can be the next step. And of course, guys, the main crucial level, we need to sweep this one 60 cents high. I add my alert because with this alert, I will be waiting with this target what I marked before. So this is maybe the final stage for the Algorand. I'm still believing it. It's $1.20. This target at $1, I think a lot of will be the limit orders to sell. Honestly, my personal opinion, it's not financial advice. I'm not fixed the profits. Yes, here I fix it on profit. Here I buy back, and yes, I could fix the profit here, right? Definitely, but I didn't. And yes, I'm in profit now. My entry, like you remember, around 18 cents. And I'm still in profit, but I don't think so. We will see something like this one to the buy line. Technically, yes, of course, this is like actual lows, and this also can be like a magnet. Maybe we'll drop again to the 15 cents. Maybe it's possible, guys, but I don't want to, I wait so long. I don't want to miss this move. For example, just because I wish to see some local profit. Yes, I can fix a profit here, wait and the buyback, but what if I will not drop? And the BTC dominance will start going down to 60%, to 55%, to 50%. And I just wasted the time? No. That's why Algo is one of many tokens what I added to my investment portfolio, and I will wait my target. So I'm not touching, I'm not chasing that local scalp, a global monthly time frame. So yes, we closed the gap. I don't see any reason why we have to drop low to 15 cents again to the full fill of the monthly gap. So the next monthly gap is here. So this one is done. This one is done. So only one and only the monthly gap we get is still here. And this is a full fill, $1.25 and $1.09. It will be the test of that gap. If you believe in new all-time high, so the algo will perform like XRP. So this is absolutely possible because the people probably will hear, like I do, will fix the profit and we can go higher. And that people who will fix it here, they will buy back here again. And maybe they will stock it again in Algorand for the next bear market. But guys, who know? Maybe we'll go to $5, to $6. We can't know. We can't know the future. So nobody could predict so the XRP will hit the new all-time high. The people waited 8 years and out of the break even. The people accumulate 5 years, for example, the XRP, and this stock can perform, hit new all-time high, they in profit because it was their plan. My plan is more conservative one. I'm so tired to hold the Algorands, and that's why I will be more than happy with the profit, with that amount of Algo what I hold now at $1.25. After that, if we go to new all-time high, it will be maybe my mistake, but depends of timing. I will definitely will fix a profit here. If, for example, tomorrow or on the next week with BTC dominance at 61%, we will hit like crazy. For example, like Penguin, right? The token just in a week pump 1,000% gain. So, for example, if the Algorand, based on some rumors, some news, will hit the $1.25 and we will be still in August or, for example, or September 2025 with the BTC dominance over than 60%, of course, I will just take some profit and not fix the full amount of position. That's why, guys, global targets relevant. Now, nothing interesting basically on the chart. They post some news. They update even the roadmap. So, like usual, they update the roadmap, we dump it. So, what's the point of that roadmaps? I have no idea, guys. With roadmap, without roadmap, so here. There was no roadmap, no updates, no upgrades, nothing. And we just moved like speculation, test the buy line at 10 cents, going to 60 cents. because every single token is just pure speculation. Don't pay attention too much for that roadmaps and all of those updates. Weekly time frame, guys, also here. If BTC now make a reversal move, the next step, a bullish one for Algo, is 35 and 38. That's why I honestly rather see the bounce to 29 rejection, right? And maybe one more drop to 20 cents. So this is what I wish to see, for the Algorand. It doesn't mean, I'm bearish for Algo. No, I'm bullish. ADZ, I can show it. It's a global chart crypto. Full history of Algo. Daily time frame, the buy line now is 1462. Weekly time frame, it's 1422. So basically all targets almost the same. 12-hour time frame, a little bit higher. So it's 1562. That's why, guys, more likely we will retest the 12-hour time frame. And it can be something like this one. Around, it's hard to say, by end of August, for example, we can test the 20 cents or 19 cents and make a reversal move. It's not necessary, so we will. Guys, global targets I showed you, so I'm still bullish and I wait the main targets. And I think the Algo will hit that targets. A local one, yes, we can see the crash even to 20 cents round number, 19, and buy line now, like you can see in the range, like between 1588 and 1350. We will see, guys. Direction on daily. Let's double check the daily. So here, the last time this was a signal to sell in November, December 24, we dump it from 60 cents. We dump it. Accumulation, pump. The same story to out of the Algo, but I didn't out of the Algo. Maybe it's my mistake, maybe I just wasted the time again, but I don't want to miss the ride. The main person for me, the weekly time frame, and this is the main like investment time frame. The wheels accumulated again. Here there was accumulation, April 25. Here's a June accumulation. So almost at the same comfortable price, like 15 cents. It's a perfect time to in Algo. Now no signal to sell, nothing, guys, nothing globally. Take a look, the money power. Here's the money inflow, money outflow at the top at 31. Now nothing, no new money inflow. That's why it would be good to see the test 20 cents and new money inflow on the weekly time frame. Daily, yes, 1, 2, 3 days money inflow. So approximately it's like 24, 22, 22, and 3 average entry. So last indicator, guys, it's take profit I showed you. Trade on a locally one on a daily. Sell, buy back, sell, buy back, and no main signal to fix the profit, take profit from all of these sales. That's why I wish to see the take profit signal from sales. Let's add alert to talk about the main reversal move. Weekly time frame, main signal to buy, sell, buy back, sell, buy, here a lot of signals to buy back. So like conclusion, guys, the lowest point, what we can see, by my personal opinion, it's let's say 20 cents or 15. This is a zone which comfortable for the whales, and the next step is here 61 cents and $1.20. I'm waiting my targets. You can go and read their updates at roadmap, but I think it will not give you any information for your action to buy Algo or not. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about Algo. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show it on this video, just write my DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.